Hello students, welcome once again in online classes. This is class 6 social science class. Students, we have completed one lesson of history, one lesson of geography and one lesson of history. Today I will start the first lesson of civics. This is your first lesson, diversity and discrimination. The state of being different from one another is called diversity. It means the state of being different from one another. You see, your group of students, every student is different to each other. That is called diversity. Diversity can be in all fields of life. In your class, you will find children who speak different languages, celebrate different festivals, like to play different games, and study different subjects. When you go to a shop, you buy a pen. You will find different varieties of it, and you can choose one of that suits your requirement. There are diversity in pens also, in your class also. Diversity is present in every field of life. It adds variety and makes our life more interesting. Diversity in India. India is a country of diversities. Diversity has been one of our most remarkable features. People in India belongs to different religions, speaks different languages. However, in spite of this diversity, a basic unity binds us together. There are so many diversity in our country, but we all are together. This lends us our identity as Indians, which is known as Indians. All of us are Indians. We are Hindus, we are Muslims, we are Sikhs, we are Sai, we are Parsi, etc. But in one word, in what is our identity? We are Indians. People of India are Indian first. All other identities come later. Underlying the spirit of unity in diversity determines our identity as Indians. It is also an integral part of our heritage. The history of diversity. In the past, India was a very rich country. India was very rich country. People from different parts of world came to India to control its wealth. They came to control its wealth. Gradually, they settled down, mingled with people living here. They start to mingling with the people living here. You will read more of this in your history lesson. People who came outside adopted certain elements of our culture while retaining some elements of their own cultures. This intermingling of cultures led to the emergence of a new languages, dance forms, schools of music and paintings. New cuisines and religions, different cultures thus influenced one another and brought about diversity. So how diversity came? People of outside mixed their cultures to Indian cultures, and by this mingling, this diversity brought. So students, this is enough for today. We will complete the remaining exercises in next video. Study these And if you have any doubt, ask me without any hesitation. Children, take care. Goodbye.